Hi friends, welcome to Laxmi YouTube channel. Today I am sharing a healthy smoothie which is good for digestion and it can be taken as morning breakfast. For this we want chopped apple, half pineapple pieces, 2 slices, 1 cup of fresh orange juice and lemon. First take a blender and add chopped apple. Now add chopped pineapple, fresh orange juice, lemon juice 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of honey. You can also add ice cubes, it's optional. Now blend all the ingredients into fine smoothie. Now you can see the smoothie is ready. Take it into a glass. Now the healthy and tasty pineapple orange apple smoothie is ready. This smoothie is rich in fiber, vitamin C, A, folate, zinc, copper and beta carotene. This smoothie is good for hair, skin, digestion and fat loss. This smoothie helps to boost fertility in men and women, reduces bloating, reduces osteoarthritis, preventing asthma, good for heart. This smoothie is a good anti-cancer agent. The fiber from pineapple, apple and the sharp acidity from oranges assist in bowel movements, thus relieving indigestion. This smoothie can be taken as breakfast in the morning. Do try this healthy smoothie and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.